In this tutorial, I will tell you about 5 pandemic-safe solopreneur networking ideas. For entrepreneurs and solopreneurs alike, networking can make or break a successful business. Because of the pandemic, however, networking has been more of a challenge than usual. Nevertheless, there are plenty of virtual networking ideas that can allow you to meet more businesses and individuals while remaining safe throughout the pandemic. Let's check out these 5 pandemic-safe solopreneur networking ideas. 1. Zoom for scheduled networking events. As I'm sure you already know, Zoom is one of the best platforms for hosting scheduled networking events. It is frequently used and pretty beginner-friendly, which is why the platform has taken off over the last year. Definitely opt for Zoom or some other virtual chat room if you want to host more traditional networking events. This will give you the benefit of talking to new people in a way that everyone is safe and socially distanced. You can invite people to this networking event by posting it online or setting up an email group for interested people. 2. Focus on social media. Speaking of social media, make sure to focus on social media in order to network during the pandemic. Social media has become a crux for individuals and businesses alike during this challenging time. Make the most of social media by using it for networking purposes. Follow other accounts and people who are interested in the products and services you provide. Make sure to interact with them by liking and commenting on their posts. You may also want to send the account an introductory message if you think they might be a good partner at a later point. 3. Host fun get-togethers online. Another great networking opportunity is to host fun get-togethers online. You can do this through Zoom, but this is different from our first idea in that the point is to have fun, not just network for professional purposes. Because of the pandemic, many people are itching for fun entertainment and social interaction. Try to host a fun event that relates to your business's niche. For example, if you are a writer, you might want to host a storytelling slam or book club to get people connected with you in a non-work manner. 4. Partner with an expert to host a course. During the pandemic, many people are reading more and learning about miscellaneous topics online. Make the most of this by partnering with an expert to host an educational course online. Though this may sound boring, posting educational videos online can be super fun and a great way to network with low pressure. Partnering with an expert makes you seem more reputable. Plus, it exposes you to their following as well. Just select a partner that relates to your niche so that both parties benefit from the other's promotion. 5. Set up challenges or giveaways. If you've been on the internet for even a brief period, you're likely aware of the many challenges and giveaways on there. Do this with your business to network with other companies and individuals, as well as get more customers actively involved with your social media sites. Challenges can especially be great if you specifically challenge your competitors. When you do this, make sure that it is very clear the challenge is in good fun. You might even want to reach out to your competitor beforehand to ask them if they're interested. This is a great way to have fun and network at the same time.